Hey campers, Dustin here with Pine Acres RV in Stewiacke, and what I have behind me here is a 2015 Heritage Glen 300BH. Now this unit is a great bunkhouse unit, perfectly priced as well. This is a 12-point inspection unit, as is where is MVI is extra. So let's go through this. Down back here, we do have a nice size outdoor kitchen. You got a mini fridge in there, some extra storage, and a sink. And up front, we have tons of storage, a nice large awning that does work. We have 2 exterior speakers and a spot where we can mount a TV. Come on inside, guys. Tons of storage right here when you come into the camper, so that's very nice. Hang your coats and stuff there. And check this out. You have a beautiful kitchen. Nice island. 2 stainless steel sinks. You do have a Dometic refrigerator that does work on gas and electric. That's a fair size. Close that up. Over here we have tons of counter space. Microwave, of course. We do have our 3-burner stove with an oven. And all kinds of storage in here. Great spot for your cutlery. And more storage down there. Over here we have a pantry area. And tons of space in that. I mean, you can store months worth of food in there. Alright, guys. Flip around here behind you. We do have a dinette, but it's positioned as a bed right now. There is some storage underneath that as well. We do have a pull-out couch right over here. Very nice leather look to it. It's very comfy, cozy. Some storage up above here, which they don't do in the newer trailers anymore. So that's super neat to have. Over here we have our entertainment area. We do have a tablet also that comes with this trailer, so that'll control the slides and whatnot. And there is a TV that goes here when we sell the unit, of course. Stereo deck that controls inside and outside speakers, and more storage. Coming over here, we have our walk-through bathroom. Corner shower, great size, extra headroom right where you want it. Medicine cabinet, nice size vanity with some storage underneath, and you got tons of space around the toilet. Coming out of here, we have extra space for our linens. And we're into the master bedroom now. There will be a mattress that comes with this trailer, so don't worry about that, guys. We have a laundry chute on this side. Probably can't see that. I'll get out of the way. His or hers closets on either side. We have storage up top, and then some storage underneath the bed as well. Very nice. All right. Coming further down the unit, check out the bunkhouse. Now, this bunkhouse is exceptionally large. Wow, that was hard to get out. Check this out, guys. You can have a dance party in here if you wanted to. Great for kids. This will lift up, so you have a nice couch for the kids. It also drops down, so if you had extra sleeping you needed, it's there available. You got a spot you can mount or put a TV in here for the little ones. A nice little bunk ladder. Climb up into bed, and then all this dresser area. Tons of storage in there as well, guys. Like I said, this is a 12-point inspection unit, as is where is, price to move. If you like this unit and you want to check it out for yourselves, come on down to Pine Acres Stewiacke, exit 11.